Hark how the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, me and the bold.
Run.
Turvamees, must ülikond ja lips on ees. Raha eest teeb tegusid mees.
When you stay out on your job and stay focused, you're gonna be the best. Do what you can when you're 10, get the chance, put it all to the test. Came for it all, now you heard this before, but I done more or less. Grind and you fall, now you done with the tour, get it all off your chest. Hustling, 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 that's all the respect. Hustling, 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 that's all the respect. Hustling, 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 that's all the respect. When you go hard and don't stop until ain't nothing left.
I just wanna pull up with my trunk in the front. I just wanna pull up with my niggas smoking joints.
Black Beatles in the city, be back immediately to confiscate the monies.
Fresh girl. Wow. My world.
Sent flowers, but you said you didn't receive. But you said you didn't need them. That girl is a real crowd, please. Small world, all her friends know of me. Young bull living like an old geese. Quick release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get in. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking.
Õpetaja, kas midagi õppida ka jääb kodus?
Still Snoop Dogg and D.I.
Guess who's back?
Still doing that shit, Andre?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Check me out. It's still Dre Day. Though I've grown a lot, can't keep it home.
My heart, you're my soul. You're my heart, you're my soul. Yeah, I'm feeling better love.
Welcome to my crib. Hello, MTV. This is my living room. I play any very many games in here. Yes. Okay, see you later.
No ma tahaks näha, mis siit lõpuks välja tuleb. Okei,
This is fucking awesome.